Your mind is fuzzy. When you are attending a work, you are urged to finish it soon. It's your burning side which demands a rest. There is no one who takes a rest after finishing a task in rush. Instead, they search for another work again. Then they try to finish that also in rush. Again another work without a rest. Likewise, people die without finishing their works. There is no one who dies after finishing all the tasks in life. The one who needs to die after accomplishing all does like this. He doesn't finish. Instead, he just observes all his activities in a moderate and a relaxed mind. He never ends in a hurry, nor any hustle even. That's the upside down story, but the worldly concept is finishing a task soon. But in Dhamma, there is a free flowing instead of finishing soon. Anyway, we are finding another, even we finished in rush, so better to move slowly and steadily. People spend their daily routine not to analyze their mind, but to have a temporary relief and to do something. Now I preach that's wrong. Adopt all your activities to explore your mind. The person who explores his mind never rush. He isn't hurried to make decision in life. They do not finish any activity in haste. They observe everything in a calm and cool mind. When the mind is calm, it cannot be shaken by the physical world. Nature of a stable mind is. It doesn't run fast or chase behind physical and relative aspects. It just moves freely.